What if I told you there's a way to pay $0 in property tax? Most investors see taxes as an unavoidable bill, a cost of doing business. But the wealthiest 1%, they see taxes as a choice. I've spent years analyzing the portfolios of multi-millionaire landlords and studying the specific tax codes that the average investor completely ignores. We're not talking about creative accounting or risky gambles. We're talking about legal, IRS-approved strategies that turn your tax liability into a wealth-building engine. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the invisible loopholes high-net-worth investors use to legally wipe their tax bill to zero. From cost segregation to 1031 exchanges and the real estate professional status, you're going to learn exactly how to protect your passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to stop leaking cash to the government and start scaling your portfolio faster. You're a seasoned investor, always on the lookout for ways to maximize your returns. But let's face it, property taxes can be a major profit killer. I mean, think about it, every year you're shelling out thousands of dollars in taxes just to own a piece of property. It's like having a silent partner taking a cut of your profits without lifting a finger. You work hard to build your real estate portfolio, but the taxman is always lurking, waiting to take his share. And it's not just the amount of taxes that's the problem, it's the uncertainty. Will taxes go up or down next year? How will changes in the tax code affect your investments? It's enough to keep you up at night, wondering if you're doing everything you can to protect your wealth. As a high-earning professional or seasoned investor, you know that every dollar counts. So what if I told you there's a way to pay $0 in property tax? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if it's not? What if there are invisible tax loopholes that high-net-worth investors use to legally pay little to no property tax? We're about to dive into the world of real estate tax strategies and uncover the secrets that the wealthy use to keep their money safe from the taxman. So you want to know the secret to paying $0 in property tax? It's not just for the ultra-wealthy. High-net-worth investors use specific strategies to minimize their tax burden. Let's dive in. Real estate tax strategies investors use are vast, but I'll give you the top ones. First, it's essential to understand the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion. Tax avoidance is legal, using the tax code to your advantage. Tax evasion is illegal, hiding income or falsifying records. We'll focus on tax avoidance. One popular method is the 1031 exchange. This allows you to swap one investment property for another without paying capital gains tax. For example, if you sell a rental property for $500,000, you can use that money to buy a new property, deferring the tax payment. Another strategy is using REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties, minimizing risk and tax liability. By investing in REITs, you can earn passive income without directly managing properties. Now let's talk about opportunity zones. These are areas designated by the government for economic growth. Investing in opportunity zones can provide significant tax benefits, including deferred capital gains tax. To take advantage of these strategies, you'll need to stay organized. That's where our affiliates, TurboTax and QuickBooks, come in. They offer tools to help you navigate the tax code and maximize your deductions. By using these tax strategies, you can significantly reduce your property tax burden. It's not just about paying $0 in property tax, it's about building wealth through real estate investing. So if you're ready to take your real estate investing to the next level, keep watching. We'll dive deeper into each of these strategies and provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Now here is the reality. These strategies are powerful, but the paperwork, it's a nightmare. If you aren't tracking every single expense, you're leaving money on the table. That's why I recommend QuickBooks to automate your bookkeeping. It keeps your records audit-proof and organized. And when it's time to actually file those complex returns, TurboTax is the gold standard for ensuring you capture every deduction we discussed today. Imagine the feeling of hitting submit and seeing your tax liability drop to zero. That is how real wealth is built. If you want the exact tools I use to stay lean, check the links in the description. And if you're ready to stop overpaying the government and start scaling your portfolio, hit that subscribe button. Let's build that empire.